Hot stone massage. Let's talk about some 9 incredible benefits of hot stone massage. Have you ever tried hot stone massage? If not, I tell you, it's time to schedule one. I know that when treating yourself to a massage, you might tend to go to the familiar Swedish massage, which is one of the most popular massage when people think about it, and it's a great one. Like, I love relaxing massage as well. But hot stone therapy can add an extra touch to getting the most out of your massage. It's like, once you try it, you know that is. Not sure what hot stone massage can do for you? I give you a quick look at hot stone massage and the benefits that you get from massage therapy. First, what is a hot stone massage? It might seem weird to have warm, flat stones like this one placed on specific locations, and these ones, sorry, little ones, different locations on your body. But they are special stones and with a purpose. We use usually basal river rocks. That's how they call. And they are smooth and they hold heat very well and for long. So using a stone heater, the stones can keep the temperature between 50 and 60 degrees Celsius, and this is the ideal Celsius to work on your muscles without burning the skin. I place the stone along your spine, your feet, your palms, different places, and I work with them while massaging you with oils, so the warmth is always there and it's pretty amazing, I have to say. So after I kind of heat and warm the muscles, I begin the massage, and now even that the muscles are warmer, the massage can go deeper. So what are the great benefits of hot stone massage? Number one, you relax more. As the warm stones sit on your body or being used for the massage, that helps put you in the state of relaxation, both physically and mentally. And when your muscles are warm, they respond better to the massage. Just like, when you warm, you can bend over longer or better, probably. The benefit of the heat in your body releases deep tension and help ease sore muscles. You feel this relaxation physically pretty quick, and this will, they also have this amazing influence on the nerve system. Of course, the heat is it's like you put anesthesia on your nerves, so you get this full body and mind relaxation. The second benefit, your circulation improves. Poor blood circulation causes muscle tension and overall fatigue. A good hot stone massage is a good solution for this. During the massage, the heated stone will also be placed on trigger points throughout your body, and the heat from the stone penetrates through muscles to open your blood vessels. As this happens, blood will flow freely through your body for better circulation. When the circulation improves, more oxygen reaches your muscles and reduce pains. The next benefit, I spoke already, your stress is going to ease up. So there's something about warmth and massage that really fade away stress. The light pressure from the warm stones can be soothing. The stones therapy feels like a big hug in a safe place. That's a beautiful sentence I heard from a client. Stress takes the back seat, it goes away while the massage affects your muscles, and it also helps in the long term with symptoms of depression and anxiety. The next benefit, it improves your sleep. Regular massage benefits you long after the massage is over because it helps improve your sleep. Pain or anxious thoughts disturb your sleep, and receiving regular massage help keep those symptoms to a minimum over time. You will feel more relaxed, less tense, and ready to go for a resting and restorative sleep. The next benefit, your pain is gonna go lower. A lot of time, a reason we get a massage is to relieve back or neck pain, and they often caused by poor posture, leading to tight muscles. So sometimes you know that we want to put something hot or warm on the pain. So using the stones will incredibly help that and help your joint movement and just relieve the pain. It will also help your flexibility. It will increase your flexibility. Stiff joints make it hard through day-to-day activities. Massage can help loosen up tight joint and muscles around the joints. If you have injury or extremely tight joint, placing stones on and around these joints help loosens the area and relaxes it, and over time you will be more flexible because everything is open. So many people who tried the hot stone massage in the salon were like, I can feel them immediately. It's like the body surrender, and the experience is so comforting and soothing and relaxing, of course, but it feels like, my client said, like a warm hug. And after that, you feel this, like your body is aligned and there's no tension anymore. So if you're curious and it sounds like heaven to you, you're right. I welcome you to book your hot stone massage. Yes, even in the summer, it doesn't matter. It's amazing.